Anna and Jane, tell me, what is it that you are currently doing with the needlework skills that you learned?
At the moment, we are doing business at Harley Trust. We are making bags and aprons for Harley Trust.
Okay, but you and Jane started a business.
Yeah, we
Yes.
are business
Okay.
partners.
You are
And Jane
business
is also
partners.
doing
Oh, I
some
like
stuff
it.
for herself, yeah.
Okay.
She
Oh,
can
lovely.
and show them. Yeah.
Okay, this is an apron,
Lovely.
and
Let me quickly show you this inside.
Okay.
and
Also,
this is
a wrap around, like something that you
A
wrap
nice
around.
skirt,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wow, that
Oh,
looks
wow,
very
yeah,
nice.
very nice.
nice.
And this one is a skirt and an apron, that
apron
she's
also.
made.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a skirt.
A pencil
She's
skirt.
made, yeah. And
Lovely.
An
And an apron.
she made.
Oh, beautiful.
Wow.
Have you received orders from the things that you
She can answer that, Jane. You can.
have you received orders, Jane?
I have. There's some 3 ladies that are did, not from those,
From these ones.
from these ones
Okay.
that we wear
Yeah.
for our culture.
For the
Yeah.
traditional
Yeah.
clothes.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's 3
Oh,
ladies
wow.
that-
Oh, wow. So
Yeah.
so look at all these beautiful
Yeah.
things that you are making.
The apron and it.
So you've received a lot of orders.
Yes, I did.
Oh, wow. Look at
Yes,
you.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
you-
One day I'll be a
Yes.
very big
A
businesswoman.
businesswoman,
Yes.
lovely.
Oh, well.
And you sew from your house, eh, Jane?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And I know Anna is making a lot of stuff for Harley Trust. You're making
Yes.
aprons
And
and bags and these lovely backpacks that you are making. Okay, lovely. Anna and Jane, we are so proud of you. So very proud of you.